Hello, today we have the 60th anniversary Zippo. This came in a tin with a cardboard cover. I like the tins a lot better than other Zippo special editions because the tin is hinged, whereas other ones, they're separate. This has a white nickel finish. Same insert as always. Made in 92, obviously, 60th anniversary. Nice little emblem on it, telling you it's the 60th anniversary. The emblem is pewter, which tells you right there. The tin is pretty nice as it comes to, collecting them and stuff, but not a necessity. Still a nice Zippo and a nice tin.